Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a wand curler, and I like this wand curler because it gives you like really big pretty waves. So we're going to be doing this today. It's going to take you about 30 minutes. You need this wand curler, of course, a comb, and some holding spray for after you're done. Of course I'm using Celebuton hair, and I have in 3 bundles of, well, 2 bundles of Italian curl and 1 bundle of Celebuton curly keys. And I did some color this month that I really like, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the inbox below in the comment section. And also, if you want me to do any other videos, please let me know what you want me to do. I will do them for you. I'm talking kind of funny because I have in my new Invisalign that's driving me crazy, and my daughter's looking at me funny right now. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe, and make sure you hit the like button, please. I like all the like buttons. Thank you. You want to say something, Michelle? Nope. Come on, say hi to everybody.
No, I look a mess right now.
Come on.
Let's not.
It doesn't matter. This is Rashay, everyone. This is my bookie. So as you can see, I'm taking sections of my hair, and what you want to do is you want to take they don't have to be big sections. They can actually be very small sections, or it can be medium-sized sections. I like to take medium, big, it doesn't matter. And you want to wrap it around the wand curler. I like to bring some of my hair forward on the wand curler, and I like to reverse it and take some of the hair backwards on the wand curler, because what that does is it gives it a non-directional look, so everything won't look the exact same. You know how sometimes you see people with wands and they look the exact same. With this hairstyle, I like everything to look different. I also want to mention, guys, that this weave that I have in, it was probably about 2 months old, 2.5 months old when I filmed this video, so please don't judge me. My hair is like so loose, and it was just time for this weave to come out, but I wanted to make sure I did this wand curl video for you. But yeah. So we are just about done. We're at the back, and I am taking bigger sections, probably because I'm tired. But like I said, it doesn't matter if you take big sections, small sections, medium-sized sections. It's all going to come out to have that non-directional look, which we want, because it looks a little bit more natural. Of course, you know, you did something to it, some kind of wand effect, but it doesn't look like the traditional going in the same direction kind of curl. So you celebritons know how I feel about the edges. The edges have to be perfect. I love my edges nice and straight. So I always use my mini curler to get them straight. My hair is natural, so I always like to use my mini curler. And I need something around my edges, some kind of product around my edges to make them nice and, you know, laid. And, you know, you always want to finish off your hairstyle with laying down your edges really nicely. You know, that's really important to me. If you watch my videos, I really like my edges to be laid down really nicely. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video because we're just about done.